Hello everyone. Now today we are going to test for the food sample. So food sample is kept here and we are going to test for the presence of carbohydrate in this given food sample. And with us Disha is there. Hello Disha.
Good morning.
Good morning. So which test you are going to perform for carbohydrate?
Polish test.
Molish test right now. Okay. So take a sample in the test tube. So given sample you will have to take in the test tube. We have kept the water bath ready because in some of the test the heating will be required through the water bath. So have you taken? So you'll have to take 1 or 2 ml of aqueous solution of the carbohydrate which is given to you and then add few drops of Molish reagent. Molish reagent is ready made available in the market. So here is the bottle. Disha is taking out the Molish reagent out of it. Molish reagent is actually 1% alcoholic solution of alpha naphthol or 1-naphthol. So roughly around 1 ml of Molish reagent she has added, and now put 1 ml around concentrated sulfuric acid in the same test tube. So she has taken the sample of carbohydrate, then she has added the Molish reagent and followed by adding concentrated sulfuric acid slowly along the sides of the wall. You can see slowly beta, very slowly. Yes, bring the test tube near the screen. There was a reddish violet ring supposed to be prepared at the junction. So you have added a more quantity. So a wide ring has been seen here. So this is correct. The test is correct. You can keep the test tube aside.
Yes, sir. To add more.
No, don't add more. It's now you have got the ring. See, show me. See the ring, the violet ring at the junction. Can you see? So either reddish or violet. So very beautiful ring is made. Very good. Keep it aside. This was which test? Molish test. Now second test is Fehling test. So for Fehling test, take some sample in the test tube. She is taking the given sample in the test tube. And you will add to it Fehling solution A first. Fehling solution A is aqueous copper sulfate solution, right? So these questions can be asked in Viva. Fehling solution A is aqueous copper sulfate solution. So a little copper sulfate solution or Fehling A solution she has added, followed by adding Fehling B. Try to add same quantity of Fehling A and Fehling B. Once you add, show me the test tube this side. This light blue will change to dark blue after adding Fehling B. Now, without shaking, you keep this test tube in the boiling water bath which is already here and leave it. After some time, this blue color will change to reddish PPT if this is carbohydrate. As we have already tested with the Molish reagent, we have got the test. So definitely we will get the reddish PPT after some time, but we have to wait for 5 to 7 minutes. So till this is getting prepared, we will be doing another test, that is, yes Disha, Benedict's test. Very good. So take again 1 to 2 ml of aqueous solution of the given sample in the test tube and add 1 to 2 ml of Benedict's reagent. So Benedict's reagent is also ready made available. Add it. Yes. 1 to 2 ml of Benedict's reagent she has added, and again this test tube goes to boiling water bath. So the difference between the Fehling A and Fehling B, Fehling A and Fehling B solution after adding to carbohydrate was deep blue. This is sky blue. So can you see? Just wait. We'll be keeping one by one so that there is no doubt. This was the test tube which we kept earlier. Fehling's test, no? So I told you that it will change to reddish PPT and you can see the test is complete. So this is the observation of the Fehling's test. Now this is the next test tube with Benedict's solution. Please keep it carbohydrate plus Benedict solution, and on heating this will also give us reddish PPT, right? So meanwhile this is getting heated and gives us the reddish PPT. these were the three main tests which we have done for carbohydrate, है ना? So we are sure that the given sample is carbohydrate, but one more test we have which is for starch. So here we are keeping two solutions. One is glucose solution. We have dissolved the glucose powder beta in the water, and with this you have tested the three tests, है ना? But the glucose solution will not give you the test of starch, right? So for starch, if suppose somebody gives you starch, then one more test is there for testing carbohydrate, that is iodine test. So take the sample from the second beaker, around 1 ml sample. Yes. And now you add to it, what you are going to add? Iodine solution. Yes. If this is starch, your solution will turn to blue black. Show it towards the screen. See, it has turned to blue black, and this test proves that your sample contains the starch. Very good. Now shall we check our test tube which was kept in the water bath? It is changing. It was supposed to show us reddish PPT. So it is, if you can see, now orangish. So wait for another 1 minute and it will change to reddish. Although we can say it's a brick red PPT. So these were the 4 tests for the carbohydrate, and this is the test tube, right? So this is the brick red PPT with the Benedict's test. So we have performed the 4 tests for carbohydrates. First was with Molish reagent. It gave red violet ring. Fehling's test, reddish PPT. Benedict's test, also reddish PPT. And for starch we did iodine test in which we got blue black. Thank you, Disha. Okay.